Hey y'all, we're here at the Printing Press Lofts in downtown Montgomery, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and everything else Montgomery has to offer. This is a pet-friendly community with access to a modern fitness center. Today, we'll be looking at a one-bedroom, one-bathroom unit. Let's take a look around. Come on in. All units feature fully equipped kitchens. That leads right into the living room. These gorgeous wood floors are found throughout the unit. Down the hall, you'll find the in-unit washer and dryer, a bonus space with a built-in desk, and the spacious bedroom, which features a large closet and an ensuite bathroom. These lofts have secure mailboxes and access to a modern fitness center and a table tennis court. Click the link below to book your tour today.